Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record, play, download, delete, and share videos using the Loom video recorder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the top right corner of your browser where your extensions are located. Click on the extension icon and from the menu that appears, select Loom. This will open up the Loom recorder interface, giving you access to all the recording features you need to capture your screen. Once the Loom interface opens, you'll see a button that says Start Recording. Go ahead and click on it to begin the setup process. This prepares Loom to capture whatever screen or window you want to record, making it perfect for creating tutorials, presentations, or quick demos. Next, you'll be prompted to select which screen you want to record. Choose the screen or application window you'd like to capture, then click Share to confirm your selection. This tells Loom exactly what content to focus on during your recording session. Now, Loom will start recording your screen. Everything you do from this point forward will be captured in your video. Take your time to walk through whatever process or information you want to share, knowing that Loom is documenting it all in real time. Once you're finished with your recording, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a finish icon there. Click on it to stop the recording. This immediately ends the capture and signals to Loom that you're done creating your video content. After stopping the recording, Loom will automatically show you a preview of your recorded video. This gives you a chance to review what you've captured and make sure everything looks good before you share it with others or save it for later use. Now, if you want to download your video, click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the preview screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Download Video. Keep in mind that this feature requires a business plan or higher subscription level to access, so make sure your account meets that requirement. To share your video, click the Share button. In the field provided, you can input an email address and then click Share to send the video directly to that person. This is the quickest way to get your recording into someone else's hands. You also have several other sharing options available. Click Copy Links to grab a shareable URL that you can paste anywhere. If you click External, you can send the video through Gmail or other external platforms. Click Social to share your video directly to social media platforms. Or, if you need to embed the video on a website, click Embed to get the embedded code you can paste into your site. Finally, if you need to delete the video, simply click the Delete button. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you really want to remove it. Click Permanently Delete to confirm, and the video will be removed from your Loom library completely. And that's it. You now know how to record, download, share, and delete videos using Loom. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.